What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to overlay a logo in CapCut on your mobile device. To begin, open the project where you want to add your logo. Once your video is loaded in the timeline, make sure nothing is selected. Now, tap on the overlay option from the bottom toolbar and then choose Add Overlay. You'll be taken to your media library. Make sure your logo image is already saved to your camera roll. Tap on Photos if needed, and then find your logo. Tap the checkbox in the top right corner of the image, and then hit Add in the bottom right corner. Your logo will now appear as an overlay on top of your video. You can pinch and drag the logo to resize and reposition it anywhere on the screen. If you want the logo to stay on screen for a specific part of the video, adjust its start and end points in the timeline by dragging the edges of the overlay bar. If your logo has a background that you want to remove, CapCut gives you a few ways to do that. First, tap to select the logo layer. Then, scroll along the bottom toolbar and tap Remove Background. You will see options like Auto Remove, Custom Remove or Chroma Key. For most users, Auto Remove will be sufficient. However, if your logo has a solid background color, like white or green, the Chroma Key option is ideal. Tap Chroma Key, then tap the area of the logo where the background color appears. After selecting it, go to Intensity and increase it until the background is fully removed. You can also fine-tune it with the shadow tool if you want, but that's optional. Once you're happy with the result, tap the tick checkmark to apply your changes. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.